Let's take a look at how to create a freeform seating chart in Teacher View. Hover your mouse over the Charts menu and select Add Freeform from the list. The Editing Seating Chart screen displays. Enter the name of the new seating chart. Do not click Save yet, or this will stop the editing process. Click the Preferences button. In the Preferences window, select the student name format, such as first, last name. Check any other show options you'd like, such as grades, notifications, and birthdays. Select the front of the classroom from the drop-down. Use the Snap Grid Size slider to add grid lines to the screen if you want. Next, click the Students button. From this list, you can drag and drop individual students anywhere on the screen, in any configuration. For example, the desks may be grouped together into pods. After you complete the seating arrangement, you can click Sort and the system puts the students in alphabetical order, or you can click Randomize and the system places them in random order. When you are done, click the Save button. Your new seating chart becomes the default seating chart displayed.